Hey there! Are you looking to make your voice memos recordings on your iPhone sound better? With the enhanced recording feature, you can easily cut down on background noise and boost your voice, giving your recordings that polished professional touch. In this guide, I'll walk you through enhancing your recordings with just a few simple taps. Let's dive right in. Start by opening the Voice Memos app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down your list of memos and find the recording you want to improve. Tap on the recording to select it. Then hit the three dots icon to access more options. Choose Edit Recording to bring up the editing tools. In the top left corner, look for the three lines with knobs icon and tap on it. Now, tap on Enhance Recording. You'll instantly notice a boost in sound quality as the background noise diminishes and your voice becomes much clearer. If you're happy with how it sounds, tap Done to save your changes. Your enhanced recording will be saved and you can share it or listen to it whenever you like. By following these steps, you can easily enhance your voice memos recordings on your iPhone, making them clearer and more refined. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips. And stay tuned for the next video.